Welcome back, house fans. Today I'm here with Forrest, another challenger, another YouTuber, and I'm here for redemption because I just keep getting beat by everybody at this point. We're doing the arrow challenge. Spin this, whatever arrow it lands on is the arrow you have to throw from on strikes and spares. Simple as that. Let's see who wins.
Looking forward to it, brother. All right.
Oh, let's go. Again?
So, yeah.
It's 1-1. Yes, dude. It might not be a good thing to start off, but all right, give me like an easy arrow. Let's get fourth arrow to start it off.
What?
Oh.
What did that hit? Like stopped.
It's right in the middle. Kind of like the ruling.
Yeah.
It kind of makes sense.
Where's the ref?
All right. Fifth arrow. I can do that. I can do that. They're hooking fifth arrow.
Do we spin our own for each one, or we play the same?
Spin our own for each one.
All right.
And you have to spin it every shot. So if I leave something, I have to spin again.
That's rough.
I don't care. I just, you know, want them all to fall.
Strike.
It's the start we wanted.
All right.
That's right.
Let's see what we got.
Yeah.
All right.
That's what we want. That's what we want. Do I let him wait, or is there a shot clock violation? Because he wants to throw his plastic ball.
I'll make do. Arrow. I'll just kill it, I guess.
If I get first arrow, I won't throw my plastic ball.
All right.
That'll be fair.
Deal. I guess that works.
Well, we both have Brooklyn, so I'll take that. I can't complain because I did the same thing.
Halfway in between.
Seventh arrow, great.
Oof.
Cool.
That was a great spin, bro. Great spin.
I know.
Solid choice.
The YouTube world doesn't want to see me win. Oh my goodness. I'm a lefty. I don't play over here. Until right now.
Oh.
I get a Brooklyn and then I stuff a 10-10.
That was a solid shot.
Spin it for the spare. I'll take that. That was a good effort from seventh arrow. Well, we just said cameraman's choice, so.
Cameraman's choice.
Fifth arrow. Okay.
It's a nice cameraman.
Just a respect.
Nice cameraman there.
And it wasn't a bad choice.
Collusion.
All right. Well, we're gonna bowl a lot more than when I bowled last challenge. That's for sure. I'm already halfway there.
Not in the middle. That's red.
That's second arrow.
Okay.
So you're just gonna go in order? Or you're just gonna go 1
yeah,
through 7? Oh, that's pretty good. Dude, we're like bowling the same game. We both went Brooklyn, then we both
nutted the second shot.
And now you have to pick up a spare.
That's rough. Oh, and I got to spin for the spare.
Yeah,
oh
you
my
do.
gosh.
I would love for you to seventh arrow. Sixth arrow. That's tough.
Should have backup balled it.
Oh, it's money. Money.
Right, I'll take it.
I would have backup balled it. I definitely would have backup balled it.
Oh, that would have been a smarter move, actually.
Yeah, you know, but. All right, well, dead tied right now. Give me a third arrow. Calling my shot. What's up?
Right.
You know, in reality, I actually don't want to throw it from third arrow because they're hooked too much. There's a little inside of there, but you know, we're not robots, guys. We're just humans out here throwing round objects at wood.
Second,
Dang, dude.
Second again.
You're gonna get real good at playing straight.
Right.
You have to bowl regional this weekend, guys.
Straighter's
Hopefully you
greater,
have to play
say.
straighter. You know,
They do say it's greater.
Super sharp for it. This is the most evenly matched match I've ever matched. Ever. Give me fourth arrow.
More like 12 board, but.
Give me fourth arrow.
Your call.
Fourth arrow, thank you, everybody. Momentum's got to start changing eventually.
That's pretty good. Shot.
If we had Spectre, guys, I haven't hit one arrow I've looked at, but they're close enough,
They're close enough.
They're close enough. Cameraman.
Between 4 and 5.
Oh, he's going half.
In between 4 and 5.
That's a pretty like common spot for you to play.
That's not terrible, yeah.
That's not bad.
That's not
22, that's like game 5 at a regional.
Thank you, cameraman.
Oh, he aced it too. That's tough.
Fourth arrow, please.
I'm really wanting to see like a first arrow or a seventh arrow. Oh, that's super unfortunate.
What is
you're
that?
fine. You're comfortable in front of the ball return.
I guess.
I feel like where I'm standing is where you need to be standing. I'm on the left lane.
Backup ball may be the play. I might backup ball it. Oh God, push.
Ooh.
That was lucky.
That hooked.
That did hook. I don't know why I switched to my urethane for that.
I don't either, but you know. You picked up the spare.
What? Your call again?
That's super unfortunate. We're
This
going.
thing is rigged.
We're gonna go 18 at the
We're
arrows.
gonna give a national titleist his call on where he wants to throw it.
18 at the arrows. I promise I'll hit it.
Oh,
Hey, I hit 18 though. I said I would. Oh, you have to spin. Give me fourth arrow. Come on. Your call. Fourth arrow. Come on. Dude, I'm about to go to the casino after this. Oh my God, I missed it. No, I didn't. Yes, I did. No, I didn't. I wasn't worried.
still clean, still clean.
I wasn't worried.
It's actually really surprising.
Yeah, just respectable games going on up there.
Yeah, I mean, I could live with that.
The worst count is 9.
Oh,
The
God.
7th arrow. Your
Let's
call.
go! I'll go fourth arrow.
He's done all these random first arrow shots. He doesn't even know where he really wants to stand.
Like-
It was 19. Oh.
It's like 19.5. Close.
Yeah, you know, you're up 1 pin if you got max score left, which is what I look at when I score. You can't see it, guys, but this is cameraman's choice.
He said 7th arrow,
First
I think,
choice.
is what he said.
I don't think
I thought
he said that at
I thought
all.
I heard
He
him
might
muffle
have.
that.
I guess we'll find out here.
We'll do another 4.5.
4.5?
Ah,
4.5. So in between 4th and 5th. Oh, it's got to hook a little.
no love
That's
here.
2 on that lane, the weird 7, 10 pin thing. Cameraman, again.
Oh, let's do 5th.
5th arrow. All right. It just looks weird because I would never cross 5th arrow up for a 10 pin.
Generous.
I'm down, but again, you know, strike 9 spare, double 9 spare, 9 spare.
Anything can happen in this.
It's a respectable game.
All it takes is 1 7th arrow to destroy the whole game.
Like right now, 7th arrow. I'll say it's in the green. I think that's barely on 4. I think it
We
is.
get a second opinion?
No, you guys pick each other is what you want.
It's on the green.
All right, thanks.
All right, 4th arrow.
It's not lying.
These guys are hanging out, they're buds. Like, no one wants to see me win. You haven't struck on this lane yet, anyways. So
That is true.
It's the tough lane. Remember you went high and 4
I did
pinned
flat
last
10,
time?
and I
No,
flat
you 4
10.
pinned, I think.
Flat 10 and back a ball, I remember. Nutter Butters.
That's Brooklyn.
What? Every time I turn around, I miss all the cool stuff.
You know what's really funny is I tried to help you adjust. I told you that you were gonna go high.
We gotta change the
and
score.
then- yeah, dude, go ahead, change it. Give me 4th arrow and let's get back to it, okay?
What? It's definitely weighted.
Cameraman.
Damn.
Hey,
He's trying to
It's
keep
his
it
choice.
close. I respect it.
it's his choice.
I respect the loyalty.
Yeah, you got it too. You know, I need it as well. 4th arrow.
It's 4th arrow. Oh. That was almost tragic.
Shout out to my cameraman, my boy.
Good shot.
All right, guys. So if you guys just want to watch us bowl from 20 for a whole game, just come spin this
Pretty
wheel and we'll
much.
just get the 4th arrow or burst choice the whole time. Remember that time you flat 10'd?
I do
I'd
remember.
move right off that for
It's,
sure.
it's ingrained in my mind.
Oh, that's good. That's money. You know, bowling is a full circle deal.
It's a tough sport.
You caught a big break and then you just ace one and then you give it back. That's why bowling is hard.
That's not nice. Again,
I'm
come
thinking first arrow would be really cool. I think the fans
on.
want
Chill,
to see
chill, chill. Oh God. Oh God.
Oh my
All right, cool.
goodness gracious.
Now here comes the whiff.
I
Right?
thought it was gonna be a 5th arrow and then it was a 6th arrow, 7th arrow. Your choice. All right, your choice.
Now if I miss this, I'm really bad.
What's your choice again?
I'm gonna choose 4th arrow.
4th arrow. That's 20 at the arrows. Got it. Wow.
Thing started to hook.
I'm gonna be honest. I thought you missed it.
I wasn't totally confident. Not gonna lie. I'll keep it rolling.
Yeah, keep
Stop.
going.
Chill. Chill. What is this? He's got that 4 times. Where's the remote? Who's?
18 at the arrows again. I'm just gonna let you know. It's gonna be in between 3rd and 4th arrow. Does that count? Yeah, it counts. Oops, that was perfect.
Oh! This is why bowling is a stupid sport.
Every time that I get a little cocky and try to like talk a little stuff, like say, oops, that was perfect off my hand, I stuff a 9 pin. All right, just like, can I get like something easy to throw out here? Your choice. That's super nice. I'm gonna do 3rd arrow. You know, I think this is fair
right.
for me.
He deserves a 3rd arrow, I guess.
Yeah, exactly.
Push.
I thought that I really did think I missed it for a second. Dude, that was brutal.
This match is intense. Oh, God. All right.
Second arrow.
We had a little
where he
practice
loves
with that
to play.
today.
You should be dialed in from over there. It's like
Should
your third
be.
time doing it.
I know. That was huge.
That was just a good strike from second arrow.
That's huge, huge.
I don't know. All right, Donald Trump. Huge.
Huge.
All right, so he just strikes from second arrow and shows me how to do it, and now I got to strike from second
This
arrow.
should be easy.
Dude, I haven't thrown, my ball hasn't crossed 10 on a house shot in my whole life.
It's pretty good. Nice shot.
Total
Fire the
guess.
cannons.
Total guess.
From the heater, Ricky.
Total guess.
They're 19.
This is a match. That we won't.
Oh, God. Of
Ooh,
course.
first
My
arrow.
foundation frame. I need my spare ball. Couldn't have come at a better time.
Dude, I'm trying my hardest to cheat. I
Oh
have
my
that remote
gosh.
you were talking about. Just beep, 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 beep.
I'm seeing that now.
Oh, Brooklyn.
Let's go! One time. Okay, 5 times.
Okay, one, it like went over the 10 pin and then kicked
I
it
know.
back forward.
Almost a Brooklyn Rap 10.
Give me fourth arrow. Give me
What?
fourth arrow.
Wow.
This is kind of crazy at this point.
This thing's just trying to see a good
I
match.
am legit going to the casino after this.
4th arrow.
More than,
Oh, no love though.
trip that, come on. Give me an easy spare attempt here.
Oh.
Cameraman's choice.
Let's go 6.5.
Jerk. What? The best way to go about this is to like just go dead up it, but why would I do that? That's not fun at all. 6.5, huh?
Solid spare.
I need an open essentially, but cameraman's choice to finish it off.
We're just gonna go 4.5 again.
4.5. All right.
What a guy.
I know. I mean, he's seen the hard worked 2-0 that I'm bowling here. 8 pin. Oh, I just feel like I bowled so much better than 208 guys, and that's
Wasn't
why
that-
bowling is hard.
That was a way better game than 208.
All right, we need something hard here. We need 7th arrow. It's the only thing we can have.
Oh, God.
Gotta have 7th arrow.
No. Gotta be kidding me.
We have a chance.
It's okay. I can back a ball. I've been working
I
on
have
this.
called like 11 of these wheel turns, by the
I
way.
have been working on this.
Oh, big 4.
Was that not 7?
Guys, this has been real cool. It's been real fun.
Thank God I've been working on that.
I can't beat anybody on this channel. I can just back a ball in front of my face.
Left side's walled.
3-bagger. Get your victory lap. I'm spinning for
All
you.
right.
I'm spinning for you.
If that doesn't prove left side's wall, I don't know what does.
Dude, you won. Whatever. Game over. You can bowl from wherever you want to bowl for right here. Here's your victory lap.
All right, go 7th
ahead.
arrow again just for fun.
Do it the real way this time, at least for me. Don't back a ball.
All right.
Do real 7th arrow.
Real? That was 7th. That was better than I thought I could do with that.
Is this what you guys enjoy? Just watching me get my head kicked in every single time I post a challenge video with someone? All right, guys, go subscribe to his channel because
Yeah.
he clearly is better than me.
Definitely not better than
Thanks
him. But
for
apparently at
whooping me.
7th arrows, maybe.
That was fun. It was fun.
Thanks for having me, bro.
And,
That was fun.
I'm just going to go home and just think about videos I can actually beat people at. Next week is a rap battle. We'll see you guys on the house channel. Bye.